Wow, look at this. Talk about a major hailstorm. There's leaves and shit everywhere. Look at that. Look at that pile. Ah! Ah! Oh shit. Look at that. It's really cold. Ah, I got a candle wet. It was just a major hailstorm about 20 minutes ago. And it swept in and it swept out, and the hail's starting to melt, but there was a lot of it. Like, there was hail all over here. Around the porch area where the storm was coming through. It looked like gusts of hail flying through. It was like a tornado made of hail. Now this one is the biggest pile I found. Look at that. That's a soccer ball. Buried. Look at that pile. That's like 3 feet high, 4 feet high. That's insane. Wow. This is crazy. This isn't on national news. I'm gonna be shocked. It almost looks like snow. Wow.